key?
All the way back here.
Oh, well, you know what? We can just go. Well, then the only real threat is Noah, because I don't even know if Devin's gun is functional.
I'm not really a threat.
Oh yeah, did you want me to check your thing?
Oh yeah.
And then we'll just, I forget, we'll figure it out before our close. Just your bucking might be fucked. Oh, shit. But it's the only way to keep them legal, so.
Yeah, well, it looks so much better without them.
It looks better without them, but you run the risk of, like...
You're over there.
I know. We're in the wrong spot, Nikita.
But we were far last time.
I know, but he swapped us.
Oh, I thought you swapped them.
No, he swapped us.
Ah.
He swapped us and them, actually.
Yeah.
Devin's here now.
Yeah. I mean, I like this side much better anyways, because we got the fence on the other side of the objective. Really?
Yeah, because you can play up a lot better here. Look at these fences compared to the ones over there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You can play here. As with those fences, there's large gaps, and like you shoot through small gaps too. Especially that one over there. It's dangerous to play there. There's also a murder hole right there. Like this side is such a huge disadvantage compared to the other side. Wonder butterfly. Where's our key?
All the way back here.
Oh well, you know what? We can just go. My objective already, though.
I'm gonna get shot. Hi! Are we red?
I have no idea.
What color are we? Alright, so we're red. Who has it? Wait, we're a blue? Okay, so then who has it though?
I think we do. Yeah, we do.
Okay. Who dat? You think he's on our side? I know there's two people over here though. I don't know how far up they are though. Oh, I hear them. Oh, I see one person. Oh, I hit him! What?
Oh, who'd you hit?
I saw just the top of his head. I went like that. That's impressive. Yeah, but that would have hurt right on top of the head. Dang, I'm a monster. That's my first kill today too. Oh, that's a ref. I was shooting at a ref, my bad.
I don't know, there's a kid in the house with that right there.
Yeah.
I don't know, I shot him, but I don't know if he called it.
Where? Where about? What time? Oh. I know Noah and Devin are in there somewhere. You know what? They might have pushed up a little bit. I bet that might too. Noah! Devin! Shoot your gun! Call it. Yeah, boy, I see you. Fuck. Am I shooting? God damn it, I'm shooting blanks. I could have killed someone just then, but my gun told me no. Excuse me. Go in, please, mate. Ah! Hat! Hat! Ren.
What?
You're 12 up at Sheriff's.
I'm a little busy right now.
Where are they? I could probably get an angle.
I'm dead. Can't see.
We're gonna keep going out. Come on. It's a risky maneuver. Do I want to take it? I think I'll get yelled at for that. God damn it! Leave me alone!
Yeah, there's one right on your left-hand side that's fence. Right on the left-hand side, I see his fucking barrel.
Devin, where are you? Oh wait, I see him. Oh, that's my teammate. Whoops. And I'm out. God fucking damn it. All these dead mags. Oh! Nice one, Devin. Or Noah. Yep. Ow. Fuck. Playing way more aggressively this game. Only due to the fact that I only have pistols. Ooh. If only I had a grenade though. What is catching me? Oh. What the hell? Why is my... Bro. Yo! Yo, it's like a rainbow over here, man! Holy shit! What the hell?
I got 4 guys.
Wait, is Noah over here?
Yeah. We've been sitting there for what? 4 fires here. Pretty much, yeah. My knees are shot. Holy. You guys good?
Yeah, we're just waiting for it to see if it flames up or anything.
Is it on fire?
No, we're clear.
Just making sure that there's no fire. Where's the red one? Hello.
It was up in that brush.
I mean, it's all green back here, so it should be all right. But I don't just smokes in here.
Can I get one here? What? Oh.
Dude, there was some with the orange tip over on the other side.
Hold on, stay there. Oh shit.
That was an intense game.
Thank you. Well, we were surrounded by bugs.
Bro, that smells so bad. Oh.